Okay, now let's start and explain you how to import review from AliExpress to your product. Okay, first of all, you can go to apps and you can see list of all the installed app. Now you can see this review app. Okay, first you need to open this. We can open this and then now see our dashboard is open. First of all, you need to go to click on reviews. Then you can see a lot of option. You can also manual. You can add reviews manually. You can also import reviews auto. You can also use CSV file to import reviews. Okay, but we can first of all click on review, import reviews. Okay, now we can see a list of all the product that are present in our Shopify store. Okay, see here list of your all the product. You can select any product and then import review from directly from AliExpress. Now I can explain you how. Suppose we want to import review in this product. Okay, first of all we need to get the URL of this okay product. We can click on get URL and click on AliExpress because we have imported this product from AliExpress. Okay, uh, but skip this. I can just give you another option. First of all, we also need to open overflow. Okay, we also need to now you can go to products. Okay, I just want to clarify one thing. In this app you can import review from any products. Okay, it does not matter that you can import the review of same product. So if this is the product, okay, from AliExpress, I can go to AliExpress and just use any product and import review. I can explain you. Suppose just where is the product? This is the product. Okay, when you click on this, you can see here. You can see AliExpress link. Okay, you need to open this link and see. This is the product that you have imported to your store, but the problem is this product does not have any review. Okay, see, zero review. So we can, what we can do, we can scroll down. Okay, we can just found some similar product. Okay, which has a lot of sales. For see this is a product which has 141 sales. Okay, we can open this and import review from this product. Suppose I have opened this product. See, this has a lot of reviews. I can just copy. Okay, I can just copy these reviews and now I can go to my apps and now here click on this. Okay, now I can import review to these products. For now there is no review. See, no review. I can import review. I can click on here. First of all, you need to put the link of the products from AliExpress. Okay, I have just copied a similar product link from AliExpress. Now here you can select the amount that you want to import. Here you can also choose different setting. 4 star, I can only choose 5 star. I can also click on the translate option. So here you can also select countries. Okay, if you want to enable this, here you can also select different countries. Okay, but I can just for now I can just leave them as it is. uh, for now you are using free variant. In free variant you can only able to import 6 reviews. Okay, I can now just click on submit and then now we can check what will happen. Reviews imported successfully. Okay, now we can check. See, here are the reviews imported. 1 2 3 4 5 6 reviews. Here you can also edit these reviews. Okay, you can click on this. You can also, if you want to remove image, you can also delete the image. Okay, you can also, if you want to edit the review, just open it, type anything. Awesome. Okay, you can also change the name, color, date, anything you want to change. Pose. Okay, after this you can click on save. Okay, this is the, you can also want to remove this image because I don't want to show any image on the product for now, but if you want to show them, you can show them. Okay, you need to, I hope you understand. First of all, you need to open the app, copy, you need to copy any link from AliExpress and put them. Okay, so I suggest you can copy some similar link, similar product links from AliExpress and put them. Okay, see now I just want to show how the product looks in our store. This is your products. Okay, now see, this has 6 reviews. Okay, you can click on reviews and now you can see here list of reviews that have been imported successfully. You can also write a new reviews, anything that you want. I hope you understand.